Faceless YouTube channels are quietly making thousands of dollars every single month, without showing their face, without fancy equipment, and sometimes without even talking. But how much does YouTube really pay faceless channels in 2026? And more importantly, how much can a beginner realistically earn? Let's break it down. If you're planning to start a faceless YouTube channel, or you already have one, this video will give you the real numbers. No hype, no fake income screenshots, no overnight millionaire stories. By the end of this video, you'll know how faceless channels actually make money, which niches pay the most, and what beginners can realistically earn in 2026. First, let's clear up a huge myth. YouTube does not pay you less because you don't show your face. YouTube only cares about three things: watch time, viewer retention, and advertiser demand. Some of the highest earning channels on YouTube are completely faceless, using stock footage, AI voiceovers, screen recordings, or animations. So if you're avoiding YouTube because you don't want to show your face, you're not at a disadvantage. Faceless YouTube channels make money in several ways. The most common are YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, digital products, sponsorships. Most beginners start with ad revenue because it's automatic once you're monetized. Affiliate links often come next, recommending tools, software, or services related to your niche. Later, as your channel grows, sponsorships and products become possible, even without showing your face. Now let's talk about CPM, because this determines how much you get paid. CPM means cost per 1,000 views. In 2026, here are realistic CPM ranges for faceless channels. Motivation and quotes, $2 to $6. Facts and entertainment, $1 to $4. AI tools and software, $8 to $20. Business and finance, $10 to $30. Online education and tutorials, $6 to $15. This means two channels with the same views can earn very different money. Now let's talk about what beginners actually earn, not YouTube gurus. Month 1. Most faceless channels earn $0. You're learning, uploading, and letting YouTube understand your content. Month 2 to 3. If you stay consistent, you might get a few thousand views, still little or no income. Month 3 to 6. This is where things start to change. A consistent beginner channel can reach 10,000 to 50,000 views per month, earnings between $20 and $300. Once monetized, 100,000 views per month can earn $300 to $1,500, depending entirely on niche and retention. Some channels grow faster, most grow slower. Consistency always wins. Most faceless channels fail for simple reasons. 1. They quit too early. 2. They choose low-paying niches without knowing. 3. Their videos don't hold attention. YouTube rewards videos people watch till the end, not videos that just get clicks. If you want to earn more with a faceless channel in 2026, choose a high CPM niche. Make videos between 5 and 10 minutes, hook viewers in the first 10 seconds, upload consistently. One good video is luck. A library of related videos is strategy. If you want a full step-by-step guide on starting a faceless YouTube channel, watch my video on how to start a faceless channel in 2026. And if you want the best niches to choose from, watch my video on the 7 best faceless YouTube niches. Subscribe for realistic YouTube growth. No hype, just strategy.